With the estimated number of smart homes up to 52 million in the United States alone and estimated to be 77 million by 2025, what better time to invest in smart technology? The Emerson Sensi Touch smart thermostat not only saves you money, but offers the convenience of remotely controlling your comfort from anywhere at any time. With the interactive app, you can change the temperature, program an HVAC schedule, view usage reports, and more. Want to take your automation a step further? The Sensi Touch smart thermostat has an advanced geofencing feature that allows the location of your smartphone to change the temperature settings when you leave and before you return home. Use geofencing to save energy without even thinking about it. Personalize your Sensi by choosing between their 3 sleek color options: black, silver, and white. Like most smart thermostats, a common wire is required to install the Emerson Sensi, but an add-a-wire accessory could always be used to give you 5 wires when you need them. Sensi is compatible with the Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. If installed by a professional contractor, the Sensi comes with an outstanding 5-year warranty. If it was installed DIY, it comes with a 3-year warranty. Whether you're just starting to put together a smart home or looking to improve one, the Sensi Touch smart thermostat is a great addition to the space. For more information or questions on the Emerson Sensi Touch smart thermostat, give us a call at 1-844-PARTS-4U or check out www.jacksonsystems.com. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.